Do you want to take cool layer lapses with your 3D printer? Well, I'm going to show you how. In this tutorial I'm using a longer LK4, but you can do this with any printer. All you need is an iPhone or Android phone and a remote shutter. You can buy it online, I linked it in the description. To do this, you're going to need to 3D print these parts that I linked in the description. If you're using a different type of printer, you might have to remodel it to fit your printer. Once you have all the parts for your mount printed, you can start installing it onto your X-axis. Once you have it installed, move your printer to its max on the X. For me, it was 220. Then, check if the print head reaches the button. If it doesn't, then you can add some foam like I did. Okay, so now when the printer goes to its maximum X, it'll press the button. Now time to open up Gear. Go to Extensions, Post-Processing, and Modify G-Code. Add a time-lapse script, and copy all the settings you see here. This will tell your printer to move and press the button after every layer. If you're doing this on another printer, you might have to change the Park Print Head X to whatever your maximum X is on your printer. On the phone that you were using, download Stop Motion Studio and open it. Then go to your display and brightness settings and change auto lock to never. And connect your remote shutter with Bluetooth. Make sure when you press the button it turns up the volume. Now when your printer moves to press the button, it'll take photos and put it into the stop motion. And that's it. That's how you make those cool time lapses. Thanks for watching. If you guys did this tutorial, comment below. And if you have any questions, comment below also. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.